If you want to know how to assemble this 50-meter portable hose reel, we go through it step by step today. Hi and welcome to another 3-Minute Thursday. I'm Matt, and today we'll be talking about the 50-meter portable hose reel and how to put it together. What we need: a pair of scissors and 2 extra hose connectors to set it all up. The rest is all coming with the reel. Start by cutting off the card with a pair of scissors. Like that, we will need that later. Then on the other side, we've got the handle here. Let's just cut that off as well. That's there. And then the hose is around the card, so we need to cut that as well. Just like that. And there's another plastic strap around here. Cut that. Right. What we need to do first is we actually need to take off a bit of hose to create the tap to reel hose. Now that really depends on how much you need, so that can vary between 1 meter, 2 meter, whatever is the distance between the tap and what you need. So I'm going to take off about 1 meter. So I'll be cutting off 1 meter for the tap to reel hose here. So after we cut off 1 meter of hose here, we cut off the other fittings off the card because we will need them now. What we need for the tap to reel hose is 2 hose connectors and 1 tap connector. The tap connector is attached to the other one. So what we want to do first is we take off the tap nut, that guy, put it around the hose here, attach the tap fitting to it, and hand tighten it to the hose. We're doing the same thing on the other side. Like that. Now we will be attaching this to the tap. Clicking the tap to reel to the tap, and we're ready to attach that to the hose reel. Now how that goes, I'll show you now. Next up, we want to attach the handle. To do so, we unscrew the little grey fitting on the side. And we attach the handle to it, like that. And we screw in that little fitting back on again. Next up, we want to attach that little snap-on the other side of the hose reel. To do so, take off this little nut and put on the snap-on adapter, which we then will attach the tap to reel. I'll just take that off for the time being because it's a little easier. The next step will be to take off the hose, so we will unwind the entire hose, and that is so we can get on the inside of the hose reel to attach the hose to the reel on the inside. So to attach the hose to the inside of the hose reel, we look for the end of the hose, and this is where we've got one of the 2 hose fittings that we need from earlier on. So what we do here, cut the hose fitting, take the nut off, get the little blue ring out, put that over the hose, attach that to the hose, and then we just hand tighten it. So then we need to attach the hose fitting to the inside in the hose in here. And then we can line the hose onto the hose cover. Now it's time to connect the other hose fitting to the end of the hose. So same procedure, we're putting the nut on top, putting the blue compression ring on it. And then we can click on the nozzle that came with the set. Attach the hose to reel, to the cart, put a tap, and your hose reel is ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you smart gardeners in the next video.